Hi, Kate. It was great speaking with you today. Thanks for taking my call and for checking out the video. So I'm hoping this will be very helpful for you guys and help get you some of the customers that you've lost to some of your competition. So I've got your website pulled up here. I love the flow of the pictures here. It's very beautiful. One thing I want to point out is Google's usually looking for about 1,500 words of content on the first page with some keywords in there that will help you get found on Google when people search for you. So that's something to look at. I got your competition pulled up here just to kind of get a better idea. They've got a little bit more words, but it's completely beatable. So they're ranked #1 right now in Google, and you guys can definitely take them out. They've got several things wrong with their site that they're ripe for the taking. You guys can do it. So I searched countertop installer in Lexington, Kentucky, and you guys don't come up on the first page or in the map pack. You're here. You just gotta dig through it a little bit. You gotta go in and find you, or scroll. I believe it's the next page that you guys show up. We'll see here. Yeah, it's you're not on the top page, so that's a problem, right? We want to make sure you get there. Most people don't go to the second or third page to find things. I mean, when you're Googling something, you usually go right to the map pack, or at least I do. You know, that's one of the first things you see. Got the ratings and everything. So highly recommend trying to get that up there. One way to rank in here is by ranking down here in the organics. So there's a couple things we can work on there, and I have your guys' information pulled up here in Ahrefs, which is a tool I use for determining the strength of a website and how you guys are doing. These two numbers are numbers that Google uses to rank websites. So it's the trust of the website and the reliability, like how good the content is on the site. So how much power you have in the topic that you're saying. So it's pretty low here. I mean, we'll jump over to your competition and go back and forth for a sec. So you see the competition, they're not very high either. They're very beatable. So all we need to do to beat them out is to have a few more backlinks and websites that are referring to you. So all that really means is, like a blog post of a countertop installer blog linking to your website. Of course, there's a whole bunch that goes into that, but that's the basic idea. The other aspect is the keywords. You want to make sure you have all the right keywords that the competition is using, and make sure that you're ranking for them. So I'll just jump into this, touch a little bit. Right now, you guys are ranking just for your name, and that's due to the amount of content and stuff you have on your first page. So it's a big thing. Luckily, though, they're all very easy things to fix and things you guys can work on. If you guys need help or don't want to focus on that information or that stuff yourself, I'd be happy to help out. I do that work, and I excel and I'm an expert in it, and would like to help you guys get more of your customers back and be able to progress you guys forward. However, if you're not and you want to do it yourself, that's fine. All I ask is that you please give me some feedback on this video and tell me what you think, and if this was helpful, I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for your time and for watching the video. Please reach out if you have any questions, and please let me know what you think. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.